Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into an interesting problem that involves cities, road and assigning values to maximize the total importance of this road. If you love tackling algorithmic challenges, this one for you. So let's get started. Let's understand the problem statement. Imagine we have a country with a number of cities, say n. These cities are connected by bidirectional road. Each road connects exactly two cities, and we represent this road using 2D integer array. For example, a road connecting city AI to city BI is represented as in list AI BI. Our goal is to assign each city a unique integer value from 1 to n. The importance of a road is defined as the sum of the values assigned to the two cities it connects. Our task is to assign values to the cities in such a way that the total importance of all road is maximized. Let's write the code. Res frequency equal to 0 comma in list 0 into n for a comma b in roads. Frequency of a increment by 1. Frequency of list b increment by 1. This frequency dot sort while n will raise equal to n into frequency n minus 1. N minus 1 equal to 1. Return res. Let's understand the code in brief. We initialize res to 0. This will hold our result, the maximum total importance of all road. We create list frequency FREQ of size n with all element initialized to 0. This list will store the frequency of each city. Example, how many roads are connected to each city. Then we iterate each road in the road array. For each road A, B, we increment the count for cities A and B in the frequency list. This helps us determine how connected each city is. Then we sort the frequency list. Sorting helps us to assign the highest value to the most connected cities. This maximizes the importance since more connected cities contribute to the importance of more roads. Then we assign value optimally. We use a while loop to assign values to the cities in a descending manner starting from n down to 1. For each value n, we add the product of n and the highest frequency in the freq list to res. We then decrement and continue until all cities have been assigned a value. Then we return res which now hold the maximum total importance of all road. Let's run the code. Okay, it accepted. And that's it. By following this step, we can ensure that we maximize the total importance of all roads in our city network. This solution is efficient and leverages sorting and frequency counting to achieve the optimal assignment of values to cities. Let's submit the code. I hope this explanation helps you understand the problem and the solution better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more algorithm and coding challenges. Okay, and we also complete the stack 182 days. Thank you.